Hey guys, it's me, Julia. In this video, I'll be going over practice test number 5, no calculator section question 9. So let's get started. So this is a circle equation question. And you can tell if it's a circle equation question when you see this format. An equation that's in the circle equation format, which is right here, the one that I just wrote down. So let's read the question. In the xy plane, the graph of the equation above is a circle. Point P is on the circle and has coordinates 10, -5. If PQ is the diameter of the circle, what are the coordinates of point Q? Okay, it sounds confusing, but let's just draw it out and see what's happening. So there's a circle, right? And point P lies somewhere and it's like at 10, -5. So I'm guessing it's at, okay, it's at 10, -5. Let's say it's here. And let's say this is 10, this is -5, right? You guys should know your coordinates by now. And PQ is a diameter of the circle. So diameter is from one end to the other, and the radius is one end to the middle. And here's the center. What are the coordinates of Q? So this is P, right? We want to know what Q is. So it's a diameter, so it must go straight from P. So this point right here should be it, right? But then we can't just make assumptions in this case. So we need to find our center of the circle first. So we know that this is 10, -5. So let's find the center of the circle, which is pretty easy because we already have, if you have this circle equation in your head, it should be fine. So HK in the circle equation represents XY, which is the center of the circle. So we already know our H and Ks, 6 and 5s respectively. And yeah, so our H is going to be 6, +6, and our K is going to be -5. Yep. Okay. And so that's going to be this point right here. Okay. This point right here, the middle, the center. So from here, we already know that point Q is not going to be C because it says 6, -5, which is the center. It's not the diameter, right? So no. And 6 - 1 is going to be along here. 6, -9, again, it's going to be somewhere here. And 2, -5. Okay, let's just, okay. So just imagine 10, -5, 6, -5. This is point P, this is point Q. Point P to Q is what we are looking for. And that means we need to go past the center of the circle. Okay. So from here, we should look at the change in X. So change in X is from 6 to 10. So we're not gonna go the other way around because this is a center, right? So we got to go like this. This is a center. So from P to the center is 4. So you only -4 again from 6, right? Because P is in between C and Q, and Q is in between C and P. We got to go that way. So -4, -4. So that's going to be 2. And then for our Y, we're just going to do the same. But then look closely. We have two -5s. And that can only mean one thing, is that they're all aligned. Their y's are the same. So when you say y is -5, that means it's this line right here. Maybe I should show it in a different line. Yeah. Which means my circle was really off. So again, you can't make assumptions, but it will make sense if the diameter is from here to here. So that is what I'm talking about. Don't make assumptions, but get the idea of it, because once you get the X, you already know it's going to be A, right? But then it all aligns, same horizontal line. So we know that it's 2, -5, which is 8. Thank you.